one heart, one life. I seen brothers turn to strangers over flags and borrowed pain. I seen mothers pray in silence while the children learn the names of the borders of the regions,
of the lines we draw in sand. But the ocean does not ask us who is worthy of the land.
I've been walking through the shadows with the fire in my chest, trying to find a little mercy in the world that never rests. But your hand can be a shelter and your voice can be a sign that the love we thought was broken, it was only waiting for its time. We all cry when the night gets heavy, we all bleed when the stone gets thrown. We all look for somebody steady, we all fear being left alone. So put down the weight, put down the pride, look in my eyes, we are still alive. Under the same sky, where we're breathing the same air, different roads, same wounds. One hope, one prayer, one prayer. When the world goes cold, keep your hand in mine. We are one heartbeat under the same sky. Under the same sky. Under the same sky. We are one heartbeat under the same sky. From the city to the village, from the desert to the sea, every soul is carrying something that they eyes may never see. Some are rich but still feel empty, some are poor but still give light. Some are lost inside the daytime, some are fighting through the night. Brother, I don't need your language, just the truth inside your face. Sister, I don't need your passport, just your dignity and grace. If the grand design is wider than the stories we defend, then the enemy is not each other but the wound we never
Cry when the night gets heavy, we all bleed when the stone gets thrown. We all look for somebody steady, we all fear being left alone.
So put down the weight, put down the pride, look in my eyes, we are still alive. Under the same sky, we're breathing the same air, different roads, same wounds. One hope, one prayer,
One prayer.
when the world goes cold,
Keep your hand in mine.
we are one heartbeat.
Under the same sky. Under the same sky. Under the same sky.
We are one heartbeat.
Under the same sky.
Yeah. What if love was not a weakness? What if mercy was the key? What if every soul in prison was just begging to be free? What if power without kindness is a kingdom built on dust? What if peace is not a slogan but the architecture of trust? I don't want another empire, I don't want another tone. I want children laughing safely, I want no one left alone. I want bread up on the table, I want shelter from the rain. I want hands that build together, I want meaning from the pain. So when the thunder starts to gather and the fear becomes a wall, I will meet you in the center
Where the sky belongs to all.
same sun over every nation, same moon over
Every sky,
same stars above,
every station,
reminding us
who we are.
if God made the heavens wider, then they anger in our minds. Then maybe love is the river that remembers every line. Are we one?
We are one.
I'm lost.
We come home.
Can we heal
Stone by stone.
No one knows.
Under the same sky, we're breathing the same air. Different roads, same wounds. under the same sky.
Same bed.